Well, in this demonstration, Shishir of class 7th class from NGS is here with us, and he is here to tell us about the elements which he has learned in the periodic table, and we are going to ask him the elements. He has to identify them as we are going to tell the atomic numbers, and within few days he has learned this all the elements in the periodic table in the memory techniques, and that is what exactly we prepare the children here in the school. And so, Shishir, are you ready for that?
Hello, I am Shishir of 7th standard from Neva Bharati Global School. I am going to demonstrate periodic table with which I have learnt in few days with the help of memory techniques.
So here is a team with us, a team of 2 students from our school, Neva Bharati Global School. Shishir, tell me about which standard you are?
7th.
7th class, okay. And what are you going to demonstrate here?
Periodic table.
Periodic table, right? Soumit. And yourself, can you introduce also what is the name?
My name is K. Savitri.
Which class?
4th.
4th. So you are also here to demonstrate, right?
Yes.
Can you let me know how many days exactly you took to learn this by using these memory techniques?
1 week.
You took 1 week. Same Saumitra also?
Yes, 4 days.
4 days. So that's really great. So here we are. So you're ready for that?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. What is 10th element?
10th neon.
Neon. What is 17th element?
17th chlorine.
Bit loud, okay? And what is 28th element?
28th calcium.
What is 29th element?
Copper.
What is 37th element?
37th
Rubidium.
Good. And what is 5th element?
5th
Boron.
Okay, ma'am.
What is 113th element?
Lawrencium.
Okay. What is 117th element?
140.
Okay, sorry. What is 90th element?
90th
Thorium.
Good. What is 98th element? Okay, 99th element.
Selenium.
Very good. What is 84th element?
Polonium.
You are right. And what is 82nd element?
Lead.
Very good.
What is 96th element?
96.
Curium.
That's great. Kelly, what is about 98th element?
Californium.
What about 82nd?
Lead.
Okay, what is the 50th element?
50th tin.
54?
Xenon.
Good. What is 60th element?
Neodymium.
What is 63 element?
Europium.
Europium, very good. What is 70th element?
Yttrium.
Yttrium, very good. What is 77th element?
Iridium.
Very good. What is 41th element?
Neodymium.
Niobium.
41st, right. So what is 62?
Samarium.
Samarium. Very good. 79th element?
Gold.
Gold, very good. So what is 53?
Iodine.
Very good.
That's really great. I think we also have to join the memory techniques. That's good.
Thank you.
Great. That's good. Very good.